Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily block a website on your Google Chrome. So first of all, head over to Google Chrome. Now search Chrome Web Store. Now click on the second link. Now from here search block site. Now you have to install this extension block site. Click on it. Now click on add to Chrome. Now click on add extension. Wait for a few seconds. It should start downloading and then it should be automatically installed. So now as you can see, it has been installed. So how you can activate it, let me show you how. So first of all, head over to that website that you want to block. For example, I'm going to block Facebook. Now click on this extension icon. Now click on block site. Now click on agree and now click on block this site. Now refresh your page. So now as you can see, this site is blocked by block site. So this is how you block websites on your Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you.